Welcome love God family to another bashment video. We show families how to make delicious tasting food so we can save money and enjoy more family time together. The dish for today is going to be scrambled eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, and air fry sweet potatoes. I washed my potatoes already. I'm just peeling them to get them sliced. So love God family, this is the part where I have my tomatoes and my mushroom washing, and we're gonna slice the potatoes to create the desired pattern that I'd like to have. The reason why I'm doing it like that, it's because the eggs are going to be sitting right on top of the potatoes. So I don't want to have bread, because in my family background they have a lot of diabetes and sweet potatoes are low in the glycemic level. So sweet potatoes are healthier than bread. So this is the reason why I choose sweet potatoes. Stay tuned guys. So guys, I'm gonna baste my sweet potato with a little black sesame seed oil, because I'm gonna do the air frying. I'm not gonna do deep frying, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. This is just a blend of my Mish Dash and my Jamaican jerk seasoning and a little salt, and then I'm gonna just lightly season and put it into the air fryer. Then I'm gonna get my eggs ready. Love God family, so I'm putting my sweet potato on the air fryer basket. I think I have my oven at 375 degrees. I think, I'm not sure, but I'll show you guys. See how beautiful they look guys. I wish you could smell how good it smells right now, and I know for sure that it's going to be very tasty as well. So for people who want alternative for bread, like if you are watching your starch intake, your glycemic level, sweet potato is a very good option that you can choose. So I have the air fryer at 275, and I have 2 hours and 28 minutes, but it's not going to be that long. I turn it up like that so I can preheat the oven, so when it goes in it's already hot. So I'm going to give that some time guys. Meanwhile I'm going to prepare for the eggs. So I'm going to just put the tomatoes and the mushrooms in the same pan that I have the potatoes in, so I can get a little bit of that flavor. And I'm also gonna drizzle a little bit more of my oil. Just so they have a little flavor. So I'm chopping up some vegetable guys, because I'm going to make a little stuffed mushrooms. Some garlic, white sweet onions, some pepper jack cheese, and then I'm going to garnish with some green onions. This video is Chef Ramsey's video, scrambled egg video with my spin on it. Big up your status, Chef Ramsey. There you have it, guys. That's for the middle of the mushrooms. You're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna add my vegetable, guys. I use minimal amount of oil. You know the vegetable is gonna spring. Stuffed mushroom with cheese, onion. So this is 15 minutes, guys. I did go ahead and turn up the air fryer to 375. So I run it for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna turn them over, and then I'm gonna give it probably another 20 minutes. It looks very nice, guys. I know it's gonna taste very good too. Sweet potato is very easy. Like 1, 2, 3, guys. As you can see, it's soft already. So I'm gonna crack my eggs, guys. And as Chef Randy says, I'm gonna season with salt and pepper at the end. Breakfast, guys. Smell-o-vision. Butter. Do I use more butter? Nice color, guys. The butter is melting down as the eggs cook. I'm gonna add the rest of my pepper jack cheese in. Very beautiful, guys. A little onions and pepper jack. I don't want the onions to be well cooked. Nice scrambled egg, guys. And I'm gonna eat it with a little black pepper. Spoon of sour cream, guys. Nice, and make it nice and fluffy. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Very nice. And there you have it. Scrambled eggs. So the finished look is coming up, guys. Sweet potato, mushrooms, cheesy mushrooms. There you have it, guys. Beautiful, guys. So family, I hope my videos was a teaching experience for you guys. My videos is about showing families how to make food, delicious healthy food together. If you learn anything, if you love anything, please like, share and subscribe to the video to the channel. My name is Nadine. Welcome for the new viewers, and for my viewers and my subscribers that's been with me from day one. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your endurance and kindness. If you like the video, please be sure to watch the video that's going to be up somewhere in the description. That's the video that YouTube suggests for you to watch. So please guys, like, share and subscribe, and come back for another video, and peace.